In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Mendeley Reference Manager and Microsoft Word. Connecting Mendeley to Word allows you to insert citations, manage references, and generate bibliographies directly within your documents, making research and writing much more efficient. I'll show you the simplest way to link the two, and I'll also cover an alternative method in case the first one isn't available on your system. To start, open Microsoft Word. Once your document is ready, go to the Home tab and locate the Add-ins section. Here, you want to search for Mendeley Cite, which is the tool that connects Mendeley Reference Manager to Word. Once you find it, click Add, then select Continue. In just a few seconds, Mendeley will be added to your Word program, integrating seamlessly with your toolbar. Next, you will be prompted to sign in with your Mendeley account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. If not, creating an account is quick and easy. Once you sign in, you'll be able to access all your references, sources, and articles from Mendeley directly within Word. If your references do not appear immediately, click the Sync button in Mendeley to ensure your library is fully updated. When the sync is complete, a green checkmark will appear, indicating that all your references are now available in Word. With Mendeley connected, you can now start inserting citations into your document. Place your cursor where you want the citation, click the Insert Citation button in the Mendeley toolbar, and search for the reference you want to add. Once selected, Mendeley will insert the citation in the format you've chosen. You can also generate a full bibliography by clicking Insert Bibliography, and Word will compile a list of all the references used in your document automatically. By linking Mendeley to Word, you streamline the process of citing sources and creating bibliographies, saving time and reducing errors in your documents. This setup is ideal for research papers, reports, or any academic writing where proper citation management is crucial. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.